thought of getting arrested about it does not leave a good taste in my mouth. So the information that I'm getting from a lot of people is that not only is the motorcycle illegally operating, there's no tag on it, I don't have the proper paperwork, but I got ripped off. I could take a chance. I can leave Phuket. I can ride to the border, any border. I could take a chance of even bribing the officials at the border to get it through to the next country. So say I do that, right? I still have an illegal bike. Now I go to the other border. What do I do there? I can't, do I have to bribe again? So now I have an illegal bike in another country. I can't even leave Phuket without the fear of losing the bike at the border of Phuket. They have security. They can take the bike from me. I could even get arrested. And I was willing to possibly take the chance of giving up the bike at the border. That could make a great video. But the thought of getting arrested about it does not leave a good taste in my mouth. So right now, I'm trying to figure out the next step, the next move. This is the legal problem that I have, and we'll see what happens. This is an adventure.